So now, while I have explained to you of the main altar in the sanctuary here, I will explain to you of the side altars here. Come, let's have a look at that. This side altar has two images here, statues.
Okay.
One here and one on top.
Yes.
Whose is this one? This is called Our Lady of Mercy.
Okay, Our Lady of Mercy.
Mercy. So she has, been with those children of hers, like in the sense Christians, who have been taken as captives. So she has been merciful towards them, protected them. So on top it is written Species Nostra. That means our hope. So when they were taken as hostages, she was their hope, and they relied on her, and she interceded for them in that sense. And then others came and helped the Christians. So that's Our Lady of Hope. And on top is the statue of Saint Dominic.
Saint Dominic.
Dominic was a great preacher, and he started the order of preachers.
Okay.
Now, why is he important in this altar?
Yeah.
Because Saint Ignatius, he had two models who inspired him a lot. One was Saint Dominic, and the other one was Saint Francis of Assisi.
Okay.
Saint Francis of Assisi was for total surrender, self-emptying like Jesus.
Correct.
And so he said, when we as Jesuits follow Jesus, we must follow Jesus in total poverty.
Okay.
And so the Jesuits are not attached to anything that they have. That is one of the things that we will have for the sake of apostolate, but we don't own them. They are totally free. Second thing is to have the intellectual apostolate. So Saint Dominic, he brought clarity to the people, the masses, told them what the faith was, and that's how he was able to bring them to the faith, and people could live their Christianness properly in Catholicism. So that is. Now from here, we go to the side chapel. This is the north side of the
North side chapel.
Yeah.
But if I'm not mistaken, Father, the body was here earlier?
Yes, the body was here. Now see, Saint Francis Xavier, he died in 1552.
Okay.
Then he was brought to Goa in 1554. And he was
After
kept,
2 years.
and he was kept in the St. Paul's College, where he was actually the rector of the place.
Okay.
He was in charge of the place.
Okay.
But since he was traveling everywhere, he put another person in charge, and he would go everywhere. So when they brought him, they took him and kept him there.
Yes.
Now how long did they keep him there? Till he was made a saint. He was made a saint in 1622 on the 12th of March.
Okay.
So, 1624, they brought him here in a casket, which we will see later. Later on, there was a development on the casket also. So when they brought him, they kept him on this side. At that time, there was no Blessed Sacrament here.
Okay.
The Blessed Sacrament was in the main altar.
At the main altar.
Yeah. So they brought and kept him here. But you see, this place is very congested. How are the people going to go there and come out?
Correct.
So it was getting, very difficult for them to move around. So then, they decided to build another chapel on that other side. That chapel was there, but they expanded it. And they made 4 doors so that people can, come in and
Come
go
in all
out.
four.
Yeah.
There's a
So
4 direction.
Yeah, 4 direction.